Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
To escalate ke uzobona. People are going to come up with stories. After that, Ojode came out yasenzo meyiwa and Mr. Chauke no Siyabonke cousin masenzo meyiwa. Stuff is gonna take other directions. People are gonna come up with stories. Kininda ne entourage yakhe. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, we are dying now. But now we sizofa. Now bantu besigijimisa. Now bantu wanting to analyze us. Like, please. Sazobona wena. Ngapha uRamosipili bafuna i-protection for ama-witness. They're seeking protection for witnesses. Le KZN, they just like, please, sincedini. Naka ama-witnesses ethu ezophela ngenxa yabantu bangafuni ukuthi ama-witnesses azazokhuluma. Le nto kaGinindo kaVisukela abantu busy arresting people that didn't analyze senzo esabokheli. Uyidlile futhi imali abamnika yona okheli. In any case, now how is he gonna pay it back? Yena no Constable Zuma and Baloyi. So after that, a witness declined to come. Stated everything empathy naye ukuthi you know what, mina I can't come there and then the next thing I'm unalived. I don't come back to KZN. Ngibuya ngebhokisi ngendaba yabantu who are controlling at SAPSI, who are sending people to be unalived. And you must always remember, guys, we are sitting at just over 10 people that have been unalived in this case, or mysteriously passed on. Maybe let's put it that way. Because it's just like, why are we here? If Ukininda was right, if Ukininda was telling the truth, why are witnesses threatened? Why are witnesses passing on? We want to put it in a dignified manner. It's not even for YouTube as such, passenger. This is how we must put it. So my thing is that if Kininda was right, guys, it's fair. This witness, the last one, who was saying, where is the witness? Where is the witness? Like, didn't come. And he's told Omnisi point blank, listen, bro, I'm not even coming. Don't even think good next week I'll come. No, I'm never, ever coming there. Because I've got 2 children and the wife. Why must I do that to myself? Like, you know, when I'm being threatened, if all sorts of things, people are dropping calls on me, bang, the way. Yet I mustn't even try to come next to that high court if I know what's good for me. Ngapha uChauke nimzwile angithi voice note ublema uButhelezi, ublema uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi they came to DPP, whoever was in charge at the time. And uChauke naye uyasazi leso story. He's like, people came there, made us believe this is what's going on. And then as it turns out, no, actually, the 636 wabo exist. People came into the house at the communal house. 375 in the exist time. People never came. So the next witness for us and be Umakubo Masubu. Just as much as, guys, there's been stories Amakubo, you know, I've been relating it. It's like a broken record now. I'm also tired of it. So what retire? You're just like I'm done with Sare Kathleen all sorts of things breaking down the doors. One day but they found the son. But they didn't harm the son, it was the whole thing. Like how they did with Umgomezulu before he got sick. It's the same thing. Some golf Mhlophe was moving around his house. The dog was barking. Like, it was crazy. And then there was another story for Tukuti. His dog actually died. I was just like, I'm done. Oh, lady, Tulani Mgomezulu by poison ninja. Guys, case people have been followed around in a white Golf all the time. People can't make up stories. That's just my thing. Waphelelaphi umuntu ose next door nayo wayi-police officer that was mysteriously poisoned. 2 people have been poisoned out of the 10 ngitshela ngayo ukuthi he has passed on. Which were supposed to be our witnesses. Where are they? We are stuck. We actually not stuck after the voice notes. Udasanje bafanele pheke into zakhe manje lapha ekhona ahambe for good. Yeah, because he's in it as well. So you guys saw how it's been a struggle for Omnis to bring in witnesses. So in a way, you know, Muzi's life is doomed, basically, because I seen a witness now. His last witness. I'm sure Yakala there at Kgoshi Mampuru, because apparently they actually at Kgoshi Mampuru, all of them. Maybe he's crying there every day to sleep because he's just like, oh, my witness is very at that. So the next person then will be Uramosepeli, who's also been working on them, on getting witnesses to come, and is even asking KZN police to give them protection. It's hard, you know. It's hard when Kelly can just tell us who other life says between them when they were sitting there drinking. It's not even hard, guys. Uthi went on international trips in Hanjiso Chico, owayevalani naye, who comes out and gaslights us and gaslights futhi even in defense and be like, please, lezo impuphu. I'm like, when are you on impuphu, basically? Calling advocates, people who went to school impuphu and rubbishes. He used all the names, Uchiko, guys, to trash those people. What's the ones on channels with pugu of lawyers who are talking nonsense here, talking stuff that they know nothing about? Wow. You are the same person who took Umakumalo, Kelly, and Zandile to an international trip immediately after Sancho's passing. Like, who even does that? And coming, I can pay people to make this thing go away. Wow. And you heard Umnisi on Monday, he did put it on record. Past Monday, put it on record. What's he listen here? Obviously, and he was shouting, obviously people, or should I say witnesses, are not going to come because they are afraid of Brigadier Gininda's investigative team. So those are the same people who are tubing people who are or accused number 1 and 2 and Kwabin. So you can imagine, witnesses are feeling kanjani. So Umnisi didn't even sugarcoat it. It was just like, we're afraid of Gininda's. What's the Gininda's investigative team? Please, let's not even go there. I'm a witness. So basically, guys, our prayers are with the defense to find protection for their witnesses to come into Johannesburg, because it looks like most of them are coming from KZN. So Undanzi mustn't have the same problem that to accuse number 1 had, where a witness will be like, no, I'm not coming. There's no witness protection for me. I might be unalived just by coming to Johannesburg and leave my family. I cannot. So my heart goes out to the defense and the accused, because honestly, those guys did not unalive Senzo Meyiwa, guys. Can we just look at other people who were in the house, please? 375 must just come back. We are so exhausted. We're hoping, actually, that, especially ad hoc, they do help us with Senzo Meyiwa case. And they take it serious, like I said on the other video the other day. So be as later, food guys. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Get over.